Mistplay is designed for Android devices, not iPads. If you're searching for Mistplay on an iPad, you won't find an official version because the platform is not available for Apple's iPadOS. By the end of this video, you'll know why Mistplay doesn't work on iPads, what happens if you try to install it, and what your options are if you already own an iPad. The short answer is simple. Mistplay is an Android-only rewards app. You download supported games through the app, play them on your Android device, and earn points that can later be redeemed for rewards. Since iPads use Apple's operating system instead of Android, the official Mistplay app isn't supported. If you open the App Store on an iPad and search for Mistplay, you won't find the official app available for download. That's expected behavior, not a problem with your device or your Apple ID. You may also come across websites or videos claiming they can install Mistplay on an iPad through unofficial methods. That's not something you should rely on. Installing modified apps, or downloading software from unofficial sources, can expose your device and personal information to unnecessary risks, and it won't create official support where none exists. If you already have a Mistplay account on an Android phone, that account doesn't automatically become usable on an iPad simply by signing in. The platform itself requires a supported Android device for gameplay and reward tracking. So what are your options? If your goal is specifically to use Mistplay, you'll need a compatible Android phone or tablet. After signing into your account on that device, you can continue using Mistplay normally as long as the device meets the app's requirements and the services available in your region. If you only own an iPad, you'll need to look for reward apps that officially support iPadOS through the Apple App Store instead of trying to force Mistplay to run on unsupported hardware. Before following any online tutorial, always check whether it uses the official Google Play Store or the official App Store. If it asks you to install unknown profiles, modified apps, or third-party installers, it's best to avoid it. To sum it up, Mistplay does not have an official iPad version, it cannot be installed from the App Store, and you'll need a supported Android device if you want to use the service as intended. If this video answered your question, leave a like, subscribe for more Mistplay tips and app guides, and check out the next tutorial for answers to other common Mistplay questions.